The Magic are down by 5 going into halftime. Bol played 12 minutes and scored 4 points.
Charlie
He came back in the
Brown.
game with 6 minutes left in the third. That was his only turnover this game. The 7-footers battle for position. In the third quarter,
You like
both
that popcorn?
put up one shot. In the third, he would get a nice tip that led to a Wagner buzzer beater.
I'm all this. It's all mine right there. See how y'all doing. Slow down, Bentley. We'll get you some water. You done too, huh? I will give you some more, but
Magic lose to the Jazz by 4.
You know
Bol had
what?
4 points,
I am
2
gonna
rebounds,
give you
and 1 assist. I do believe he has some
Give me
rust to
some
shake
more.
off.
I'll give you some more. Move.
The single three-pointer he took was rushed because of the shot clock.
Ooh, that sounds buttery.
Not a lot of scoring in his first game back.
That's
And
it
he
for you,
deserved
man.
easy
I
4
ain't
points
giving
and
you
got
no
there
more.
highlight worthy, which is normal for him. Anytime he scores, because of his unique skill set, it can be dynamic. But let's get to the elephant in the room. All these forwards on one team.
You got
Tyler
something
Baker,
left?
both of the Wagner brothers.
Nope.
And now Wendell Carter Jr. just came back.
Nope.
When he left, he was riding high, getting interviews at the end of the game. He was a starter. Now that he returns, he's on the bench. To ensure he gets on the board this time, he'll take matters into his own hands. He's got all of the Jazz players' attention, but their efforts to stop him are in vain. The combination of his quickness and his size are just too much. This is what the Bol fans love to see. Him making his opponents think twice about putting the shot up. On this play, he gives Ben Carroll the option to throw him a lob or hit him at the three-point line.